What is the answer when we square a trinomial? So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo paano ba tayo mag-square ng trinomial. So let's start. Here's the typical example of a square of a trinomial. Trinomial because there are three terms and then we have this exponent na 2 kaya square of trinomial yung tawag. So in this case, mapapansin nyo, if we apply the laws of exponent, it is understood na kapag naka-square, ang ibig sabihin niyan, we need to find the product between these two polynomials. So a plus b plus c times a plus b plus c. So to do that, pwede tayo mag-devise muna ng plan or ng way. Paano ba natin makuha yung product nito? So we can use this illustration. Okay, so this is a 3 by 3 square table. So sulat natin dito yung first factor natin na a plus b plus c. So we have a plus b plus c. Dito naman, yung pangalawa, we have a plus b plus c. Now, let's complete the table by multiplying each term. Okay? So, dito, mumultiply natin si a, tsaka si a. So, a times a is a squared. A times b, we have ab. A times c, we have ac. Okay? Next, b times a is ab. B times b is b squared. B times c is bc. C times a is ac. C times b is bc. Then c times c is c squared. Kung mapapansin mo, meron tayong pattern na nakikita rito. So kung titignan natin yung diagonals, itong mga to ay square ng bawat term ng ating expression. So we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So pwede na natin isulat yan. A squared plus b squared plus c squared because we cannot combine them together because they are not like terms. Okay? And notice that here, meron tayong positive AB. Meron din tayong positive AB rito. So like terms ito, so we can combine them together. And that gives us 2AB. Next is we have positive BC. Positive BC, so BC plus BC, we have 2BC. Then last, positive AC plus positive AC is equal to positive 2AC. So meaning, when we square this trinomial, we get the product a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. And that is how we square a trinomial. Okay, so looking at this, mayroon tayong pattern na makikita na po pwede nating i-apply to all trinomials na ini-square natin. So first, kung mapapansin, we just need to get the square of each term. So square mo si A, we have A squared, square mo si B, that's B squared, square mo si C, and that is C squared. Then, get twice the product of the combination of each term. So meaning, A and B, multiply natin, A times B is AB times 2, we get 2AB. Another combination, we have B and C, so B times C is BC times 2, we get 2BC. Then last, we have A and C, so A times C is AC times 2, we get 2AC. So ganyan ang ginagawa to square a trinomial. Let's try to expand this expression. Square natin ang trinomial na ito. So first, gagawin natin, imagine natin that x is our A, 2y is our B, 3z is our C. Okay. Next, square natin si x, square natin si 2y, then square natin si 3z. After that, we get twice the combination of the two, no? Multiply natin si x and 2y times 2. Another combination, y and 3z times 2. Then x and 3z times 2. By simplifying these expressions, we get x squared. So 2y squared means 2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. 3z times 3z, that gives us 9z squared. Then 2 times x times 2y, that is 4xy. 2 times 2y times 3z, that is 12yz. Then last 2 times x times 3z, and that gives us 6xz. So, ibig sabihin, when we square this trinomial, x plus 2y plus 3z, we get x squared plus 4y squared plus 9z squared plus 4xy plus 12yz plus 6xz. Let's try to do another example. What if meron ng ibang sign doon sa loob ng ating trinomial? Like in this case. So, first, ganun din, same process. Then, we square each term. So, x squared, then negative 2y squared, plus 5 squared. Alright. Next is to get twice. Okay? Ito, kailangan to, itong twice na to. The combination, no? Multiply natin yung combination ng mga terms. So, x and negative 2y plus 2 times negative 2y times 5 plus 2 times x times 5. Let's simplify. Okay, remember that when we square a negative, okay, negative expression, that will result to a positive expression. So, x squared plus 4y squared, okay, then 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times x times negative 2y, that gives us negative 4xy. Then 2 times negative 2y times 5, and that is negative 20y. Then last, 2 times x times 5, and that is positive 10x. So this is our answer when we square this trinomial. Or we can rewrite this. No, we can rewrite this in this case, wherein the constant is in the last term, and then we rearrange the terms. Okay? By commutative property, hindi naman magbabago yung meaning o yung answer. I want you to try this on your own. Then after a few minutes, bumalik ka rito sa ating slide and then check if your answer is correct. So for number 1, this is the answer. For number 2, this is the answer. And I hope you learned something about squaring a trinomial. Hanggang sa susunod nating math lessons. Maraming salamat sa panonood.